Hi, this is Patty's Southern Kitchen. Just wanted you to see my steak. I baked a steak tonight, and I used the Panko seasonings along with other seasonings, and I coated my steak in mustard and a little buttermilk. And then I put the panko on and I baked it in the oven on 350. And I just baked it until it was done the way I wanted it. I started off with 45 minutes. And let me show you what it looks like. Look at that. Look at that. That's the way I like mine. And look at this steak. Let me take a bite and tell you what it tastes like. Mmm. Mmm. It is so tender, so tasty, so good. Okay, this is all I have for you tonight. Talk to you soon. Please like my page, like my video, share, follow, and subscribe. And just tap that notifications bell to be reminded of the videos that I'm going to upload. Thank you for watching. Talk to you soon.